Hello YouTube, today is March 23rd, Friday. This is my first YouTube video. So I have fossil Q Marshal. So today I am going to explain how you will master reset your fossil Q Marshal if you forget the password or pattern of this watch. So let's get started. So I am going to lock the device first. Go to setting, personalize and lock screen now. So now the device has been locked. So what happens if you forget the password? I have searched a lot in Google and YouTube. I didn't find any answer. So I thought I should make a video. That's why I'm making this video. Let's see. So it is saying too many attempts. Try again in 30 seconds. Let's come back in 30 seconds. So 30 seconds it's over. Now let's try with the pattern. So see, in here it is showing reset your device. So press OK. Now unpairing will factory reset your watch setting and delete all your user data. So if you press the tick button, it will format your watch and it will successfully erase all of your data and it will unlock your device. Thank you.